Hi, this is Bill. I'm gonna squat down to fit in the camera here. I've just got back from Texas, and when I got home, I got this letter in the mail. Adjustable rate mortgage adjustment. So, before I was paying 8.75. I've been on about how ridiculously high that interest rate is, and this was the minimum payment, $1,527. Well, it went down almost a percentage point, to 7.875 now, and look what happened to the payment. It's gone down to 883. Yes, that's a big reduction. So maybe I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel here. I now only owe $73,181.34. Yeah, this has been a grind to get this paid off. So anyway, I'll show you the history of this loan. Yeah, we first took it out. It was $369,600 back in 2025. We pulled this money out to finish the addition on our house. I think we owed about $181 at the time, so that of course came off this amount and what was left over, which is probably another $180,000, I guess. We used to finish the addition on the house. So anyway, the accelerated pay down began in 2022, and at that time the rate was only 4.75, and I was owing basically $229,000. The minimum payment was a little under $2,000. We had 156 months left in the term. Then the rate went up a bit in July 2022. We owed $221. The payment it stayed the same. And the term was about 150 months. Then in December 2022, the rate went up a percentage point. Now we owed $204,000, and the payment went up because of the interest rate increase, and I guess I wasn't paying it down fast enough. So then the term now is 144. They're dropping every 6 months here. We got July 1st, 2023, the interest rate went up another percentage point, and I was owing 174. As I say, I'm starting to aggressively pay this down. But despite that, the mortgage rate went up even a little bit there. And then in December of last year, a year ago, it went up another percentage point to 8.125. And now I was owing $158,000 and a bit. And finally, the rate starts to come down a little bit because I'm paying the principal off faster than it would be if we're just paying minimums. And now in July, of course, the rate went up again to 8.75 to this maximum amount, for this loan so far. I was owing $125,596, and for the first time, the payment finally came down a significant amount. Now we're down at $1,527, and now for this next month, this month here, December 1st, the rate dropped a good amount, 7.875. I'm only owing $73,000 because I've actually paid $100,000 plus on this loan this year. And now look at the payment drop. It's $883.07. So finally, maybe I'm starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel here, which is pretty awesome. And anyway, yeah, I mean, this is the feature of a variable rate mortgage. I'm not saying they're great, but if you pay down more principal on those, they do kind of self-refinance into a lower interest rate because the term never changes. Whereas on a fixed rate loan, you pay down more principal, you shorten the term, but you don't change the payment. So one interesting thing I've noticed with this bank is that when I first was making these payments. You know, they take several days to cash these checks. Now I notice that they're cashing them within hours when I take it into the bank. Like before I went to Texas, I made a payment. By the time I got to Texas, I see they cashed the check. I think this bank may be in trouble because it is a commercial loan, and commercial loans are doing pretty crappy right now. So this bank may be maybe just grabbing the money. So at least I'm paying more than I should. So they're probably happy to have my property on their books. Hopefully, it will not be more than one more year. So yeah, I paid $100,000 plus on this loan, and I've got the principal down $85,000. So of course that includes interest payments and property taxes on this loan. So right now the mortgage payment is about the monthly rate for the property taxes. That's amazing. And the water bill actually was $1,300 this month, which that's a 2-month bill. So it's almost coming down to the water bill, the water bill rate. So anyway, while I was in Texas, I picked up a souvenir. So on the side of the highway there, they live out in the country. So if you live in Texas and you lost a license plate, let me know, I'll send it to you. But anyway, it's kind of cool. I had a nice time with my niece for Thanksgiving. They served an unbelievable amount of food. So yeah, that was fun. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy watching my progress as I'm trying to grind down one of my real estate debts. This has been a grind, and as I say, hopefully maybe that will be the next New Year's resolutions to get this thing paid off. Anyway, so until next time, bye-bye.